In this video, I'll guide you through how to set reminders in Salesforce. Whether you're managing a busy sales pipeline or just trying to keep track of important tasks, setting reminders can be a lifesaver. Reminders ensure you never miss a beat when it comes to following up with clients or completing crucial tasks. So let's dive right in and make sure you stay on top of everything with ease. First, we need to navigate to the Tasks tab in your Salesforce setup. This is your starting point for creating and managing tasks, which are essentially your to-dos within Salesforce. If you're not sure where to find it, look for the Setup menu, which is usually represented by a gear icon at the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Click on it, and you'll find the Tasks tab listed among the various options. This tab is a crucial tool for managing your workload effectively, and it's where we'll be setting our reminder today. Once you're in the Tasks tab, your next step is to create a new task. You'll see a button labeled New Task. Go ahead and click it. This will open a new window where you can start entering the details of the task you want to be reminded about. Creating a new task is simple, but make sure to fill in as much detail as possible. This will ensure that when the reminder pops up, you have all the information you need at a glance. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look for a checkbox labeled Set Reminder. Checking this box is crucial because it activates the reminder feature for your task. This option is what sets Salesforce apart, allowing you to be proactive and organized in your daily operations. Make sure you've checked it before proceeding. With the reminder option activated, it's time to specify exactly when you want your reminder to alert you. You'll need to select the specific date and time for the reminder to trigger. Think about when you'll need this nudge, maybe a few days before a due date or at the start of your workday. Use the date and time fields to choose when you want that reminder notification to appear. This customization helps you tailor reminders to fit your schedule and priorities, making sure they are helpful and not disruptive. Finally, after you've set everything up, click Save to ensure all your changes are recorded. This step is vital because it finalizes the task and its reminder in the system. Once saved, your task, along with its reminder, is good to go. You'll receive an alert at the specified date and time, keeping you on track and organized. And that's it. You've successfully set a reminder in Salesforce. With this simple process, you can keep all your tasks under control and ensure you're always ahead of the game. Remember, using reminders effectively can significantly enhance your productivity and help you manage your workload more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, stay organized and keep achieving your goals.